Hi, this is Lana Nguyen.
And Rich Kwok with the C21 Soul Team.
Welcome to our latest listing at 917 and 919 College Drive in San Jose, California, right next to WILLOWGLEN.
Now this property is a duplex, but it's on a huge lot, almost 10,000 square feet, and it features 2 units with 4 bedrooms, 2 bath each unit.
Yep, and the tenant is leaving at the end of the month, so you get to get market rents.
Or if you like, it's very versatile, so you can use it as a single family. If you've got a large family, you've got additional backyards and side yards as well.
Plenty of parking, and you have laundry on site, so let's take a tour.
Now this living room is quite large, and I like that the bedrooms are off to one side, and then you've got additional living space on the other side. Now in addition, the lighting has been improved with 6 new recessed lights, and of course you've got natural light coming in through the front window.
The kitchen is newly remodeled with recessed lights, brand new floors, and you have stainless steel appliances, a gas range, as well as a built-in microwave. I'm here in one of the converted garage, and you have your own exit here, so you can have a second tenant here or maybe a multi-generational family. It also has its own bathroom and then the second bedroom as well.
What I really like about this layout is that you've got some nice versatility here. This room is quite large. It's got a mirrored closet, and then also it opens up so you can see the front yard from your window. Now, in addition, the bathroom has also been completely upgraded. You've got here a refinished tub as well as a new backsplash, and also the floors are the laminate floors. This bedroom is quite large, featuring a mirrored closet and also some nice upgrades.
This unit features a nice patio deck here, and then you also have laundry hookup right here for your tenants.
The property is also close to a large city park, Willow Street Frank Bramhall Park. Now this is a huge park offering a softball field, basketball, tennis courts, and even lawn bowling. The property is also a freeway hop away from the Children's Discovery Museum. This is a great place to take kids, where the kids can learn and interact with multiple exhibits. Now I'm in front of downtown WILLOWGLEN, and this property is amazingly close to such fine restaurants as The Table, as well as WILLOWGLEN Creamery, and so much more. WILLOWGLEN is also known for its WILLOWGLEN holiday lights. Most of the neighborhood lights up with multiple Christmas and holiday showings. Thank you for taking the tour with us. We hope to see you at this weekend's open house.